My late grandmother, Magamet Nosilo Gele Mbewu engenakhoba enekhoba efuze kulonina. This is her late grandmother Clay's name. This is for you, wandikhulisa. She means she raised her. Hope you happy sihlobo sami. Thank you. Those sweet words come from Asavela Mngqithi, who best known as Ntwentle on Mzansi Magic telenovela Isibaya. She posted on her Instagram page a huge nice house captioning her late grandmother Clay's name. Asavela gifted her late grandmother by bidding for her a house at rural areas. It's not the first time Asavela did such a good thing in her family. In 2018, she gifted her mother with a similar gift by renovating her home, and she said she hasn't have a before renovation pic, only this one she has. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see when I up.